Some stories begin in faraway lands. This one begins in Delft in the 1680s. This blue and white pear-shaped vase was made by Samuel van Eenhoorn, owner of the prestigious the Grieksche A factory from 1678 to 1685. Van Eenhoorn worked at the pivotal moment in Delftware history. The supply of Chinese porcelain to the Dutch market had slowed dramatically, and Delft potters were under pressure to meet the growing demand for objects with an exotic look and feel. Whether this elegant pear-shaped form was inspired by a Chinese porcelain model or entirely invented in Delft remains a mystery. Van Eenhoorn was known for experimenting with new shapes, bottles, vases, and other decorative forms, and for attracting distinguished clients, including the Dutch royal family. The vase is painted with a lively scene, a bird perched on a branch beneath a chrysanthemum, approached by another bird in flight, with butterflies and flowers adding a sense of movement. The intricate borders, floral scrollwork, striped triangles, and delicate dental bands show the precision and artistry that made Van Eenhoorn's wares so sought after. This shape is rare, perhaps even unique within his oeuvre. Only a few comparable pieces exist, including examples in the Art Institute of Chicago and the Rijksmuseum in Amsterdam, but none are exactly the same. That's the beauty of Delftware from this period. Each object carries its own personality, shaped by a master's hand. From a time of challenge and change, this vase emerged as a testament to Delft's inventiveness and enduring artistry. Did you enjoy this movie? Click here to watch another like it, or click the circle to subscribe to our channel and be notified when we upload new ones. Thank you.